In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no streams were found error on Streimo. Whether you're trying to watch your favorite movie and the app suddenly refuses to load anything, or you simply want a reliable way to get your streams working again, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Streamio app and go to the main home screen. Once you're there, make sure your internet connection is stable. Look for the option labeled Wi-Fi or mobile data in your phone's settings, and check that you're properly connected. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, and if you're already on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or even restarting your router. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Next, click on the Streimio website or your app store to update Streimio to the latest version. You'll see several options that help you download updated builds for your device. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Once Streimio is updated, open the app, go to the add-ons section, and access the community add-ons list. Here, install popular add-ons like RARBG, Torrentio, and others. These add-ons are what provide stream sources, so without them, no streams will load at all. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your device has enough storage, ensure your system time and date are correct, and keep your VPN off unless necessary. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once your add-ons are installed, go ahead and clear Streamio's cache. After that, you should be able to refresh stream sources without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to restart your device afterward. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps Streamio rebuild its stream list properly. And if some links are geo-blocked in your region, try connecting to a VPN server in the USA or UK and reloading your content. This often works wonders. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the no streams were found error on Streamio easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?